We was just coming on YouTube today to let y'all know we were in Wrong Turn.
And you show up pretty.
I fell off the tree and hit my head right over here, so I got dent.
I seen some titties on the Wrong Turn movie.
You're mean.
I like titties.
Why you like that?
Because titties look like heads.
Why you got a bump on your head?
Well, I feel like my goddamn bunk bed is on the wrong side. I feel like my goddamn bunk bed, and I hit my damn head.
I feel like mine won't lead to you, and I fell and I played that guy, that Chinese man on that movie Godzilla. Godzilla.
He's cool.
I love Godzilla.
I like Stewie.
Ah, Godzilla,
I love Stewie.
But we just here to let y'all know we still on there and we still doing this. We still coming downtown, going around.
And I got a phone number for you ladies. This one of them 900 numbers. It's a 1-800-900-900. That's my phone number, and I want you to call me.
Call him.